Hey man, we got an EZGO RXV here. We're going to show you a little quick thing on how to check the brake for voltage. Your brake, this is your brake here. And you unplug it right here like this here. And the way you want to test voltage is you want to put it in tow, turn the key to the neutral, forward, or reverse, it don't matter. And then you want to take your voltmeter. Let me see. I'm gonna get it right here. Alright, you want to take your voltmeter and put your lead inside the plug here. Let's see if I can get it. I'm trying to get it to do it. I'm trying to hold myself and get it to do it. All right, you want to take your lead here of your meter, put your voltmeter on DC 200s, and you can see we got battery voltage. Now I'm gonna take it and flip it in tow, back and run, and you can see the voltage goes away. Now I'm gonna take it and put it back in tow, and turn the key off, turn the key back on. And you want to see voltage to the e-brake. All right, in that area you have voltage. And that's how you check the e-brake to see if you're getting voltage when you put it in tow. If you're getting voltage there and the brake don't release, your e-brake's bad. I have another video on my page how to check that. If you're not getting voltage, 99% of the time, you got a bad signal. All right, stay tuned, man.